Alright, good morning everyone. Today I'm doing another unboxing, and this is a zoomable flashlight. It's 500 lumen AR-15 mountable flashlight tactical thing here. Alright, let's open it up here. Show you what we got in this. Okay, that's it for the bag. I'm liking it, the case already. Check that out. That is pretty cool. Got a little lanyard here. Pretty cool case. Alright, let's see what we got. Got some tabs here. You can pop it open. And that is pretty cool looking. Alright, on top we have plastic housing. Maybe it looks like it'll go in between the battery or something. Alright, I'll just kind of pull these off one at a time here. Show you guys. And this looks like to be the extendable the button. Let's just open this up here, show you guys here. So this is the pressure pressure button, so you can turn on and off your flashlight from just a click of a button here on the end. So that's pretty cool. Alright, what else do we have in the box? We have the battery charger here. Dun, dun, dun. It has a couple tags on here. We got some Velcro with some sticky tape on the back. Here is the charger. It's to have a decent length on the cord. Okay. What else do we got here? Obviously the battery there. This is a Vastfire. 3.7 volt to 18650, which is pretty much what all the flashlights are using out there. Alright, what else is this? We have the flashlight itself, one mode white LED. It's got a little lanyard here, and there is the zoomable part here, so it zooms out to that. Oh, you just have to pull it in and out. I was thinking you had to. Okay. And least but not last, what do we have here? Okay, here we have the mount for the AR, and this can go onto a what is it? What do they call it? Like the gun rail or whatever. So this can mount right here on the side of your gun. This, screw it back on there, and it latches down on there. That's pretty cool. It's to be fairly sturdy aluminum or something. Okay, so that is it, my friends, for the package. This is the initial unboxing, so I guess I don't do traditional unboxings, but in my unboxings I kind of show you what you get and not necessarily a product demonstration. But let's see if we can't put a battery in here and see what happens. Okay, cool. So this can either be, it looks like it has AAA, what would I say? Yes, a AAA battery pack too. So you put three AAAs in here and use that as a battery also. Or, okay, yes. So the sleeve was actually for this battery, and it's going to go in there. so your battery doesn't rattle around. Let's see if this one has a charge on it or anything. Maybe we can do a demo real quick here. Fire up this flashlight and see if it's working. So let's see. Assuming it goes that way. Oh yeah, it's on already. It's pretty bright. Oh yeah. See the focusable beam here on the wall behind me. So some nice okay, man, you put that right on a dot on something. That's pretty cool. I wish my Immolent DX80 had a focusable beam like that. You can see the little, whoa. Alright, my friends, so I will be doing a little bit more demonstration on this and everything when I do the product review. So thanks for watching this unboxing. As always, you can find this cool little flashlight. It says it's 500 lumens. It's pretty bright. You could find this in, I'll put a link in the description below. So pick it off of Amazon for about $26. So appears to be quite sturdy, well built. Does have the little flange around here for various purposes. So okay, everybody, thanks for watching, and we'll see you during the review. Have a great day out there.